how to summarize any book using ChatGPT. So first is to open a tab and search for ChatGPT. Then select the first link that will show up. Say for example, I want to know the summary of this book, The Great Gatsby. So what I'm going to do is to head over to ChatGPT and just send a message which says summary of the book, The Great Gatsby, and then hit send. So as you can see, ChatGPT is able to provide a summary of the book. So another thing, aside from knowing the summary of the book, you can also add key points. So by this, you are provided with the key points and summary of the book. And so that is how you summarize any book using ChatGPT. Thank you and have a great day.